Hey guys, it's Brandon with WhiskeyRiverTrading.com. I'm here to show you how to sharpen with one of our Arctic Fox pucks. All you need to do is find yourself a chair out of the dumpster or on the side of the road and a nice sturdy platform to work on. This is just a stump, but a table at camp or a picnic table, workbench, anything like that would work. So these are able to be used with water, oil, or you can use them dry. I prefer water. That's something that is in abundance anywhere you are at camp. You can soak this in a stream or use water out of your water bottle. Oil, once you use oil, won't allow you to then use water. So, but one thing to keep in mind with water is that water does freeze. And when this stone is soaked, it is holding a lot of water. It's pretty porous. So we're gonna soak these for a couple minutes and then we'll get started. So these stones are dual grit. You can see the gray side, that's 220 grit, and the white side is 400 grit. So you start with the gray side, and as you're doing this, you're pushing down with force in a circular motion, and you're letting up as you drag back, pushing out towards the bit. Moving back and forth. It helps if you hold it like this. The advantage of these pucks over the landscape pucks is that they're a lot thicker and they're a little bit bigger in diameter, so you're able to keep your fingers out of the way, which keeps them away from the bit. Once you get all the burrs off that edge, you can flip it over and move to it on the 400 grit side. And as you can tell, the sound of that changes smoother. You can see on there's the slurry. As you soak that puck, that's able to actually be brought off, and that's the advantage of using oil or water is clearing out those metal shavings out of the stone. So check these out on our website. This is the Arctic Fox Puck, dual grit, available at WhiskeyRiverTrading.com in our sharpening section.